3 kombucha smoothie recipes. Let's go. What's going on, Booch heads? I just want to say the kombucha I'm using is just plain kombucha. I bottled it straight from Ferment 1, put it into the bottles, and I'm using it. I didn't add any flavor. You could add flavor, just make sure it's a flavor that complements the fruit that you're using. The basic recipe is 1 cup of kombucha and 2 cups of fruit. Right, we're gonna mix it up a little bit as we go on with the recipes. First up is 1 cup of kombucha, 1 cup of frozen mangoes and peaches, and 1 room temperature banana. This one is amazing because mangoes and banana give you a smooth texture in smoothies, so you can use one or the other, but combining them together with the bubbliness of the kombucha, this one rocked my socks. My son loved it, and we also made smoothie pops. So pop that in the little freezer molds and put it in your freezer. Excellent treat. Their second recipe, I'm using 3/4 cup of plain kombucha, 1/4 cup of boxed coconut milk, 1 room temperature banana, and 1 cup of blueberries. Here we have our secret ingredient, SCOBY, a SCOBY, a doobie-doobie-doobie. That's right, put it in there. Make sure you blend it up good though, guys, because getting chunks of SCOBY, you know what I'm saying? You can also throw in some frozen avocados if you want to get some extra nutrients in there. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to pop that like button. And last on the list is we're going to add a little bit of veggies to our diet here. 1 cup of kombucha, plain, 1 small cucumber or half of a large cucumber, peeled and diced, a squeeze of lemon, a squeeze of lime. We're going to mix that up, 1 cup of frozen blackberries, and then we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream. So everyone deserves a treat once in a while, and you deserve a treat. So go ahead and treat yourself. You can use heavy cream, you could use canned coconut milk that does get oily. I'm actually using vegan heavy cream. Milk doesn't really agree with my body. If you'd like to check out some more of my other kombucha smoothie recipes, go ahead and click on this video here, or you can watch my latest video that YouTube recommends right here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.